Some built-in to pad a list in Python. I have a list of size is lower than n and I want to pad it up to the size n with a value. Certainly, I can use something like the following, but I feel that there should be something I missed.
Or if you don't want to change A in place, you can always create a subclass of list and call the method whatever you please.
I think this approach is more visual and Pythonic.
There is no built-in function for this, but you could compose the built-ins for your task, or anything, p. Modified from listmanipulation's pad known and take recipes. Usage.
listmanipulation is a library that includes a special padded tool for this kind of problem. Alternatively, more_listmanipulation also implements Python listmanipulation recipes including pad known and take as mentioned by it can eat them, so they don't have to be re-implemented. If you wish to replace the default none padding, use a list comprehension.
If you want to see what last year's